Hello, all. Very good evening. This is Karthik from RajCloud Technologies. First of all, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF batch number 12, session number 1. Thank you all for joining the session today. So before starting the session, let me show you our YouTube channel. Yes, this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. And so we have almost 35.7K subscribers and 400 plus videos are uploaded here already. Okay, so if you can just go to the video section and if you can see the content here. So we have uploaded like many useful videos regarding Microsoft Power BI, GCP programs, Snowflake, cybersecurity, Informatica Power Center, SAP S/4HANA and FICO, artificial intelligence with machine learning, okay, and Informatica Cloud, Azure Databricks, okay. So on different cloud platforms, so we have uploaded like many useful content here. So just visit our channel once. If you like our content, like the videos, comment on the videos, and subscribe to our channel for all the updates. Whenever we upload any new video, you will be able to get a notification as well if you subscribe to our channel. I'm just sharing the channel link in the chat box. I have shared you the channel link in the chat box. Using this link, please subscribe to our channel so that you'll get all the updates here. Okay? Yes. So if someone joining today is a first session, okay, today is the first session for the Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF program. So earlier, like we have done 2 introduction classes as well. So they are just like a demo sessions. I can share you those videos. Okay, you can find out all the videos in our YouTube channel here. Okay, I'll share you those videos as well for you. So if you have missed these videos, you can just try to complete it by watching the recordings. Okay, yes, let me share you the links. So we have done with only one introduction class till now. I'm just sharing that introduction session link with you. So if you can just visit our channel here, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. If you go to the video section, in the video section, you can see the third video itself. Snowflake DBT and ADF plus SQL Introduction Online Job-Based Training by Sai Sri Garu. So you can just visit this channel and you can watch the video as well. And I'm also sharing the link in the chat. You can save this link also. Yes, I have shared the link with you in the chat. Okay, so using this link, you can watch this video later. Okay, yes. And we have a website as well, that is razinformatica.com. So initially it was Raj Informatica, and now like we have renamed it to Raj Cloud Technologies, as we have added like many cloud technologies here. This is our home page. This is our website homepage. If you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see whatever the like new courses, like what are the courses that we are offering here. You can check out all the information here. That is, see the courses that we are offering here are React.js front-end web development program, artificial intelligence with machine learning, SAP S/4HANA and FICO training, Salesforce admin and development part, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, cybersecurity and ethical hacking, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, AWS and DevOps, GCP professional certification training, Python full stack development, like Microsoft Data Analyst program, Python for AI and ML basics, Tableau training, and kids coding. So these are few of our other programs that what we are offering here in Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, if you just scroll up a bit, there is a section called upcoming free live sessions. Upcoming free live sessions. Okay, you can see all the free upcoming live sessions also here. You can see the today's session as well. Snowflake DBT and ADF free live session on 1st July at 8 p.m. Okay, you can check out this one as well. Okay, and React.js front-end development program is scheduled on 3rd, and on tomorrow, like we have scheduled with cybersecurity and ethical hacking program. So in this way, in this section, you're going to get all our upcoming free live sessions. So if you want to register them, you can just click on join now and you can fill the form and you can get the link as well. Okay. So without any delay, I'll just like give a brief introduction about the current program, that is a Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, and I'll hand over the session to Sai Sri garu. From there, we'll jump into the complete technical session. Okay? Yes. To know more about the Snowflake program, just go to the courses here. Just go to the courses here. Okay. You can see Snowflake training. You can see Snowflake training. You can just click on the Snowflake training page. There you will be able to see the complete information about our Snowflake program. Okay. The complete information about the Snowflake program, you can check it out. Srihari, it will take you another 2 minutes. Okay. It will just take you another 2 minutes to get into the session. Please wait with patience, please. Okay, so this is our Snowflake page. So in this our Snowflake page, you can see what are the technologies like we thought here, what is the course unique features and the course curriculum, everything you can check out here. And what you will be getting at the end of the course about your instructor, everything you will be able to see here. Got it? Yes. And I just like come to the direct complete introduction part about the Snowflake course here. So this program is a Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, and the course fee is 15,000 rupees. This is a 50-day program. This is a 50-day program, and 70 plus hours of content will be delivered to you. Okay, and we have two batches. So the two batches are like in the morning and evening. The morning batch timings are 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. The morning batch timings are 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and this is our new batch. Okay, this is a new batch starting it from today. But as today's introduction class, we have taken the evening session. But after today, you will be able to take only in the morning sessions itself. That is from morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. And in the evening, we have another program that is like 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. also. We have a session. Okay, and this batch will be starting in another 20 days. In another 20 days, we are also going to start this evening batch also. Okay. Yes. And we are going to deliver one real-time project as well. And each and every session, we are going to provide the recordings for you. Each and every session, we are going to provide the recordings for you. Please don't animate my screen. Sachin, please don't share anything here now. Okay, so once at the end of the session, we'll help you to connect with the people as well. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. So we are providing one real-time project as well, and we are also going to provide the complete sessions recordings as well to you. Once after completion of the session, you are going to get the recording as well, and the new batch is starting from today. Got it? So this is the complete introduction part of the Snowflake, and without any delay, I'll just like hand over the session to our trainer. Like Sai Sri garu. So let's take a sharp 1 minute break. Let's take a sharp 1 minute break and share your name and WhatsApp number so today is the first technical session. You are going to get this technical session recording and the material as well. And my team will be adding you to the Snowflake DBT and ADF real-time project WhatsApp group also. Okay, project WhatsApp group also. Just drop your name and WhatsApp number. So if you have already paid the fee, if you have already like joined the group, that is fine. Even if you are paid, if you are not added to the group, just drop me your number as well. My team will be adding you to the WhatsApp group, and you are also going to get the today's session recording and material also. We'll take a sharp 1 minute break. Okay, we'll take a sharp 1 minute break, and I'll hand over the session to Sai Sri garu. So please be quick and share your name and WhatsApp numbers, please. Yeah, I can see everyone was a bit quick. Yeah, if you haven't dropped your name and WhatsApp number yet, please drop. For sure, we are going to start the session in next 30 seconds. Please be quick and drop your name and WhatsApp number to get today's session recording and material, please. Yeah, you keep sharing your numbers. I'm just like hand overing the session to Sai Sri Garu. Keep sharing your numbers if you haven't shared now. Okay. Thank you all. Yes. Sai Sri Garu, over to you, please.
Hi everyone. Uh, Good evening. Before going to my session, let me introduce myself. This is Sai Sri. I'm the Snowflake trainer. So I have overall 11 plus years of experience in IT, and I worked with I worked with different technologies like big data previously, and then I moved totally into Snowflake few years back. So completely from many years back, I'm working completely with the Snowflake only with the different companies I worked, and also I have training experience also from past 5 years. A pure Snowflake training I'm giving from past 5 years. So not only real-time experience, I have training experience also, like giving the trainings to individuals and even corporate people also I've trained in my previous years. So this is about myself and my experience. Coming to today's demo, already few people joined in previous session, but who is new to this session, for them it will be useful. So quickly I'll go with my important points. So actually who is joined today, many of you will have the first question. We need any pre-request of to before learning. I mean, we have to learn something before coming to your training. Actually, I don't know. I'm not expecting much from you, anything from you. But if you have interest, already our team is providing SQL recordings. You please try to learn SQL. That's enough actually. If you learn SQL, you can move bit faster. That's it. If you don't know SQL, parallelly you have to learn SQL and parallelly you have to learn the Snowflake. So to avoid that hecticness, I'm asking you or I'm requesting you to follow our recordings and complete the SQL classes. That's the only, because in Snowflake only SQL we will use. We won't use anything. Only SQL query, I mean SQL language only we will use, and also Snowflake is totally created on the base of SQL environment only. So you don't need to worry about Python, JavaScript, Java. This all we won't think in the Snowflake development part only. Okay. So main thing, go follow the RajCloud technology and go with the SQL classes. And after that, what you are going to explain here means, first my main agenda is about Snowflake. Yes, I'm going to train you on Snowflake mainly. Okay, on the Snowflake, I'm going to train you end-to-end part. Means snow training means not only admin part, not only development part, mixed combination. I'm working as a developer actually. So developer already, I in market if you check, developer have huge openings in India or any other location. So we will focus much combination with the developer topics only, but along with that I will touch the admin also, which is required to the students to manage in their coming up projects, I mean real time data. That is the reason few topics, very few topics, I'm going to go train you on the admin part also. So coming to Snowflake, who don't know actually what is Snowflake, just keyword you may know exactly what is Snowflake. If you don't know that, let me explain that part also. So coming to Snowflake, exactly this is a cloud data warehouse. Okay, don't be hurry worry. I want to explain you a lot. So be calm. I will try to finish my part. Okay. Clouds are Please, Dinesh, don't touch the screen. So, cloud data warehouse. What is Snowflake means? Cloud data warehouse. Then, Sai Sri, already we have so many data warehouse concepts. Then, what is the specialty? The name itself, I am saying cloud. Yes, it's a not a on premises. It's a cloud basis. So, software as a service. Okay, so because of the software, we no need of any admin people. I mean, no need means zero admin. I'm not saying less percentage. For example, in on premises, if you have 10 people, here one or two is more than enough to manage the account. So that much least maintenance will be there from our side, from customer side, because maximum things are managed by Snowflake account and our Snowflake company team only, maximum. So that is the reason we feel like to set up software or hardware, we no need of any admin team. So no admin. Okay. Once they will create the account and they will add as our, they will add the employees as a users. That's it. So no hardware setup. You no need to worry about hardware setup only. So now you can understand why this have the speciality in the, it became a special in the market means maximum whatever we are feeling. What our clients are feeling like servers management, hardware management, installations, upgrade, versions, all this is vanished here. Just go with additions and get into the account. That's it. No need of any installation. Even you no need to check your laptop configuration also. Very straightforward. So cloud data warehouse is a totally cloud data warehouse. SaiSri, then why we want to go even Redshift I have, that is also cloud. BigQuery I have, that is also cloud data warehouse. Yes, I will agree. But Redshift will support only AWS. GCP will support only BigQuery. So here the individual cloud providers is coming into the picture. But if you go to Snowflake, you can go with the combination of AWS, GCP and Azure. That is the reason. In cloud also we have specific different process in the Snowflake. So that is one of the reason why people are liking Snowflake and many people are coming into Snowflake. So as a developer, now many people will get doubt. I'm doing career change. Is it right to go with Snowflake then? Yes, 100%. Because you are looking for career change or you are want to go with you want to start the career. Any combination of people are good to choose the Snowflake. Because if you observe, really Snowflake is not good technology. Why their client is going with the Snowflake and why they are hiring? Hiring never happened like without benefits, right? So 50 to 60% we no need to break our head. Client already done a lot of investigation and then they bought this technology into the projects. So based on that, you can believe coming 5 to 10 years, you no need to turn back your head for different technology. You can continue with the Snowflake. And if you observe in the market, who is working from past 5 years, they didn't change any technologies. Still, they're continuing in Snowflake. They will do add-on, maybe DBT, other technologies, add-on will happen, but they won't change this technology. That is the power of Snowflake. Okay, so I need to believe your words. Next question. Yes, if you don't want to believe, you can check the Naukri, you can check the LinkedIn. No problem. Compare with IICS, compare with old technologies, you will get very least calls, but comparing to Snowflake, you'll have more calls in the market. That proves Snowflake have demand. So because of that demand, coming minimum 5 years, you can stay in the Snowflake technology once you hired. Okay, this is the benefit. And purely why we are using Snowflake in our projects means for data warehouse concepts means who do for example go with any banking data first will load into the database. After that it will move to the it will move back to the warehouse, data warehouse. Why, what it is doing, why it is collecting to the data warehouse means here only it will capture the real time data that we will call as a OLTP. Okay, but once the data is collected here, to do any warehouse concept, we have to depend on data warehouse OLAP, online analytics process, online transaction process, online analytics process. So here we will get the strategy because of this data warehouse concept. We are getting the strategies. Data warehouse means don't go with the old concept. This will be little bit trend and updated concepts. Okay. So this is the reason why data warehouse have more demand, and the same time Snowflake because cloud. Because of cloud, Snowflake have more demand. So in my training, not only Snowflake, I'm going with the DBT. This is full form is data build tool. This is mainly for transformations. What is the purpose of this? Mainly for transformations. It won't do anything, only transformation. DBT cannot store the data, cannot store the code also even. Completely just will perform the transformations by fetching the data from Snowflake, and on top of that it will do transformations, and again it will send back the output to the Snowflake only. This actually already this is doing transformations, right? Then Snowflake is doing. Why again you miss? This is the advanced concept. Without DBT also you can run the projects, but it is the advanced concept. Snowflake with the DBT is the advanced concept. Okay, that is the main reason why DBT is coming into the picture. And after that, only these two, no. AWS. To load the data, loading the data from AWS S3 bucket to Snowflake. We will use Snowpipe and we will load the data. So here we will use the Snowpipe. By using the Snowpipe, we are going to load the data from S3 bucket to Snowflake. So that is the one loading process. That is the reason this is also very popular pipeline. So that is the reason I am going with AWS. So AWS means again I need to learn AWS. You no need to learn anything in AWS. I am going to train you what services is required for Snowflake developer. Everything I will train you. You no need to touch anything. Okay, same way for loading, another combination also I'm trying to bring here, that is Azure. In Azure also not everything, only data factory. So this is also for loading the data from blob to Snowflake in place of S3 blob. But using what? Using ADF. ADF means Azure Data Factory. Okay, so we are going to learn all this. Sai Sri, without Azure Data Factory, we won't get the job. 100% you will get the job. Without AWS, see, combinations always will increase the opportunities, will increase the salary, will increase your comfort zone. Okay, I'm not just person who will, okay, Snowflake is completed, you know, Snowflake, that's enough. No, you have to be you always should be take a step before others are planning. You should plan and you should complete. So that is the reason why I'm giving advanced concepts to you. Now in market, Snowflake with ADF is a very popular combination. ADF, Snowflake with the DBT also. Out of 10 people, very few people know how to use DBT and ADF, for example I'm saying. So in that case, if you have normal knowledge also, they will hire you. That all benefits long back only I gained. That's the reason my agenda is Snowflake is important. On top of that, this remaining technologies will help you to increase your requirements, maybe package, location, number of job opportunities. That is the specialty of my training. Giving just Snowflake or some other, and cannot leave it. I want every student to touch. If I have 10 requirements in the market, my student should able to apply for minimum 8 to 9. That is my expectation. Because so Sai Sri, I don't know anything in Azure. No problem. If Snowflake, DBT, AWS, Azure, everything I'm going to do from scratch. Scratch means from account creation. I never say this is already existed, you have to refer this. No. I will show you how it is available, how it came into the picture. Everything I will explain you. You feel somewhere why it is you are using this means I will be able to answer. So even small points also I will take care. But this is the reason why I'm going with this. Pure Snowflake developer opportunities also you will get. But you should be ready for all the combinations. Then you can demand for good package. Simple. No compromise. Okay? I hope everyone is understanding. So after this, if I go to the account level, okay, let us create one Snowflake account. I'll answer to your all questions. Give me some time, okay? So here I will show you now very easy steps how to create the Snowflake account. In real time, you 100% you won't get a chance to create account. Only client will create and will give user access to you. But here we can create. It's a free trial account for 30 days. Okay, $400 worth of usage they are providing for 30 days. Okay, if 30 days is complete, also your account will be expired. If you use 400 worth usage, also it will expire. Then Sai Sri, next time again new mail ID, no. Use one email ID and create 100 of accounts, no problem. Okay, I am using this mail ID from long time, still I can continue. So you have to give here mail ID. You have to give proper mail ID. If you do something mistake in mail ID, you missed the activation link. If you missed the activation link, you cannot active your account. So link is very important. Okay. So after that, while you are sign upping others and click on continue. Now I will show you something here. What is your company name? Here you can mention any company name. It's just you can randomly you can give any company name. A position also you can give anything, no problem. Here the things I will show you. Already mentioned, right? Snowflake is not working with the version combination. It is purely working with the additions. So again in our real time classes also I'll explain. I mean when we started the classes next week I'll explain you architecture. At that time again I'll bring these concepts. Then overall I mean just I'm going with overview. Here three types of additions we have. So which addition you want based on the business, you can choose your own addition. You don't need to depend on anyone. You'll sit your, I mean, you means client will sit with the Snowflake team and they will decide based on the requirements, gathering all the requirements. According to that requirements, they will try to choose the additions. Getting my point? So it's purely addition basis. That is the reason no installations, no upgrades, nothing is there at the backend. So admin no need to catch the heads to do the manual work maximum. So when once the account is ready, n number of people can add into that account. So standard edition for basic features, enterprise edition mainly for mid-level companies like e-commerce kind of normal companies data. But if it is data is very sensitive, then we will go with the business critical edition. Depends. So based on the company's decision. So if I choose anything, what difference you will see? If based on your edition, the cost differences you will see. And some more futures differences also you will see. Here it's a basic, here advanced. Here also whatever we have, everything is added plus extra security also added. Like this advanced features we will see here. So addition to addition, some things are added. Okay, right now I'm going with enterprise. So again, one more choice it is giving. I already said Snowflake will support all the three cloud providers. It may be AWS, it may be Azure, or it may be GCP. But how you will choose? Here again, it's not our part. Client will set up, right? So client will choose according to their source area, source region. According to that, they will discuss and they will choose that process. So if you go to Azure, this all locations are available. If you go to this all locations are available. If you go to these locations. So Sai Sri, why I need to go with Azure all this? Snowflake is a single technology, right? Why you are hosting on top of that? If you have doubt, yes, why I am hosting means right now Snowflake is borrowing the rental resources for compute and storage. Then there is a dependency. Obviously, it's a rent dependency. As a developers, we no need to keep a header there. At the time of account creation only, they will touch this option. Later on, you don't know about these options only. You cannot see that actually. So it's a one-time process. That's a Snowflake choice. Once we are giving a specific cloud provider and region, Snowflake will allocate the space and compute resources for us as per our requirement, not use. Unnecessarily, you don't need to pay any amount. Based on the requirement, they will allow. Getting my point? Still, I hope some people will have doubts a lot here. Let me give access. 1 minute.
Hello.
Doubts in this step? Yeah, tell me.
How to select region?
Again, I'm saying here it's a free trial and for practicing purpose, I'm going with Singapore. In real time, we won't do this. We not actually. Client won't do this. Client will sit and they will check what is the nearest region to their storage area. I mean, source data sets. Like this, they will have some strategies. According to that, they will select the region. In our case, our choice for the practicing purpose, no problem. No need to break our head.
You are teaching AWS or ADF?
AWS, entire AWS subject not. Whatever the services required for Snowflake developer, those services in AWS and Azure.
ADF also teaching?
Yeah. What is required for AWS Snowflake? That combination only I will teach. Okay. Not entire AWS subject because AWS is different again totally. Okay. Yeah. Others, any doubts on this?
We cannot select both here, Azure and AWS.
No. One account on one region. Dinesh, please. One region and one cloud provider only we can choose. Inside of this account, multiple accounts again we can create if you want. That is a different story.
Sai Sri, okay, so if it's a Azure, right? So again, for Azure, one more account we need to create, 2 accounts.
No, inside of this account only, child accounts you can create.
Okay, so inside that we can create for AWS.
Yeah. If you hosted with AWS, for example, inside of Snowflake account, once I created this account, inside of this account only, you can create one more account on top of Azure combination.
Okay.
Like that, we won't do in real time. But generally, if you have, you can do it. Please be on the mute. Yeah. You tell me. Mahesh? Yeah, someone.
Yes. So I have some confusion, Azure. So come back to that first page introduction sheet. Yes. Can you explain once again that Azure?
Azure here, what I'm saying is how AWS is working for the loading process of Snowflake. Some raw data is available in S3 bucket, right? How it is loading in S3 bucket to Snowflake. This is one pipeline for the loading for loading purpose. Same way in Azure also now one more trend is running in the market. Load the data from blob to Snowflake using data factory.
Okay.
So I will teach you only ADF part, how to load the data from blob to Snowflake. That's it.
Okay.
Sai Sri, I have a question. Well, I am basically into quality assurance. And
if you don't mind, let me close questions on this, and I will come back to that all questions. Okay, it will be relevant now. Yeah.
No problem. No
Sai Sri, so this S3 bucket is for the flat files only, right? Not for the databases. Database also there for this S3.
S3 you can go with whatever the files are supporting Snowflake. All you can drop in S3 and you can load into Snowflake.
No, so you are saying files, right? So that is not a database. I mean, only the files.
No, files only files. Data, for example, MySQL server is there, for example, that is the database, right?
Yeah.
By using some connective connections, people, source team will, MySQL server team will push the files into S3 bucket. From there, we will take care.
Yeah, that is a files, not a
Files
database,
on
not the
files.
data.
Yes, files
File.
only into
And
files.
for
.csv.
Azure is
Azure
the
also.
database.
Azure also .csv files only. Blob is nothing but storage layer only.
Okay.
Will you
Yeah.
cover complete ADF or only what is required for Snowflake? ADF is nothing but it's a kind of ETL tool, right?
Again, yeah, it's a transformation. I won't cover any transformations here. Why, Sai Sri, you are only saying transformations and why you're not covering this? Already we are working with two different technologies. Like Snowflake is also for transformation, DBT also transformation. If I go with the transformation, generally what will happen means who is coming from different technology, they will do all mix. It's like a mixed
Okay.
fruit juice, like it will happen. So to avoid the confusion, what in real time we are following the same process I'm following here mainly. So get metadata, copy activity, delete activity. Some activities we will use, right? In Snowflake pipeline, those I am going to cover.
Okay.
So I'm
So
trying to replicate my real-time pipelines.
got it. Yeah. So DBT, you will be covering entire concepts, right? For
All the
DBT?
concepts. We have some list of the concepts. That list for I used all the concepts in my real time. That all I'm going to explain. Mainly, if you check in the Google also, you'll get models is important. Inside models also subcategories are there. Snapshots I will cover. In this also we have subcategories, some other one. Macros. Test cases also two types of test cases. Exposures. Like this seeds. This all important. All I will cover.
Okay. So at the end of the course, will you be explaining any real-time project, a complete project from end to end?
Yeah, yes. Once we completed that, I will give one flow like how in real time, three environments, how we will handle. Generally, I will show you real time screen and I will also will go one end to end flow.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, Sai Sri, so if there is involvement of a database or any MongoDB like CloudDB, so there is no feature of Azure here in real-time projects if there is a cloud database.
You are saying DBs, right? That is different concept. Again, DB just that is a database. Again, for data warehouse, where they will depend.
Yeah, any cloud data.
See, generally, Snowflake is coming into the picture means client never try to use more money, right, on the technology. They will try to reduce that very easy way, very simple, I mean, very limited technologies they will keep in the project generally. So one middle level, any layers, data lake, we will say generally, source, data lake, and target, and reporting tool. This is the simple combination they will try to implement. What technologies they are using, that's their choice. So source will be different. I mean, my case, I observed MySQL Server, Salesforce, Oracle, SharePoint. Like these different sources I have observed in my project. General and saying, Snowflake is common in all the projects for me. And reporting tool, data lake wise, I observed AWS is I experienced and Azure also experienced. General I'm saying. And after that, Snowflake is common. After that, Tableau or Power BI. Maximum I observe Tableau combination projects for reporting. Like this, it will happen. Suddenly, MongoDB, I think that won't comes into the picture like this.
Okay.
Hi, Sasri.
Yeah.
So with this knowledge, so it is like, so how much experience can we put into?
If you don't mind, let me close all this and I will come back to your questions. Okay. I am waiting for this level part of questions. Okay, let me close the account creation. So here I'm doing the check mark, guys. Let me create the account. So I have to do some verifications here, like bridge. If I explain the different questions in recording, it will be very confusion to others. That's the reason I'm skipping right now. I'll come back to your question. Let me skip this also. Now I will get one email ID. To this email ID, I will receive the link actually, verification link. Okay. Let me wait for some time. Yeah, let me wait for some time. Meanwhile, let us explore the DBT account also. I have my old So this is DBT account actually. I will show you how to create, how to everything. End to end I'll show you. If you don't know zero knowledge also no problem. So I'm going to handle end to end anyway. So all the topics what is required from scratch level I will cover. So empty project we will create and we will come with our topics. Sometimes it will come very fastly, sometimes it may take some time. Okay, see, like this we will have the DBT project and here we will have all the concepts. Okay, this is DBT interface. You no need to worry by seeing now. Slowly you need some classes experience, then only you'll understand this topic. Okay, so this topics all I'm going to cover. So this is the way interface will be there. DBT. Okay. I can explore everything, but you cannot catch now. Snowflake knowledge, if you have, it will be easy for you. That is the reason I'm not exploring more. So DBT core and cloud, we will have two. We are following the cloud only, not core. Everything in project, we will follow the cloud only. Okay. So let us wait for new account. Yeah. Now I will come to you back to your questions. So some people are asking, I have a testing background. Can I go with this course? That is the question, right? Hello. Hello. Rao, what's your question? You are asking something and I stopped you, right?
He asked how much experience we can keep after this course.
After this course, based on if suppose you have 5 years experience or 6 years experience, you can keep 2 and up to 3, no problem. You can handle because comparing to other technologies, we won't have much topics or more changes in topics. If your years are increased, it means your topics won't increase. Okay, everyone will have common topics, any experience.
Maximum, like I have 14 years, so can I keep 8 years?
4 years. 4 years. Oh no, 8 years before Snowflake. So in 2021, actually, I'm saying the market purely recruitment is happening in 2021 end. So if we keep that will be a bit others who is taking interview, they know, right? Like me, they also know when it started. So it won't be good to go. 4 years is more than enough. You have 14 years also, no problem. A 10 years person also, I will suggest 4 years only. Enough, that is enough. Career change we can do anytime, right?
Sai Sri, I have one question here.
Yeah.
In this course, will you also explain like I think there are certain types of DBT also, different categories of DBT, right? So
core one category. That's the reason I mentioned DBT core. You are saying that category only, right?
Yeah. So which DBT we'll be learning here?
Cloud only, not core.
Okay.
Cloud.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Here, guys, purely I'm saying what I have real-time experience, I'm exploring that only. I'm not including some fake or imagination pipelines or imagination combinations because I experienced these combinations. I got a lot of benefits through these combinations, job wise, opportunities wise, salary wise. I'm saying even work wise also. Comparing to my big data job, this job is very cool for me. Like that. That is the reason I'm able to handle the. Yeah. Tell me, Venkat.
Yeah, I'm IICS developer. So can I go ahead with the IICS plus Snowflake as the data warehouse combination?
Yeah, if I see you can go with that combination, but in your project, IACS will be like a source, means they are migrating part. So it won't be for long term. In short term, they will remove and they will keep come totally Snowflake. That combination projects, your profile is eligible. Without that combination, also your profile is eligible. Not only that. Okay.
SaiSri, regarding the data warehouse. So
yeah,
Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse, right? So as you mentioned, so same way we have Azure, Google GCP, and AWS also. That's also cloud data warehouse.
cloud providers.
Only cloud providers.
They are cloud providers. Inside of that, they have cloud data warehouse.
Okay, so
Redshift is the cloud data warehouse tech
so
topic
now
generally.
Azure has the cloud data warehouse, or even AWS has
If three of these have cloud data warehouse topics generally. Okay. Still, why people are coming back to Snowflake means the compatibility is more in Snowflake.
The benefits, like what is the main benefit of
For example, few benefits I already listed. You will get the document once you done with the registration, all this. You can go through that. But still, I'm saying my
Sure,
first
sure.
demo I explored, but still I will say few benefits. Suppose in Snowflake, how they designed means the Snowflake compute layer. Compute means guys who is now coming from non-IT. Compute is nothing but mission to execute the SQL queries. Okay, simple way I'm saying. SQL queries, if you want to execute, you have to use compute layer. So compute layer and database layer both are combinedly designed in the other warehouses. What you are saying, BigQuery or Redshift or Teradata, all this. Okay. But in Snowflake, they're having separate layers. Because of this, what benefit you feel? Actually, if you come into deep level, because of combination, both tightly, if we bundle that combination of architecture, performance-wise, management-wise, to increase the resources, means mission size, mission capacity. This all, if you want to do scale out and scale up you want to do scale out and scale up, that is not easy in other technologies. But in Snowflake, it is easy because compute layer and database layer both are separate, no dependencies. This is one best example. If I go with the technical level, generally.
Okay, fine.
Not only this, if you go to Teradata, who someone is in Teradata, they will understand this. Teradata, my student actually shared with me. Teradata for time, we have time travel concept in Snowflake. When I explained to that concept to him, he said, if the same work I want to do backup in Teradata, literally they have to do a lot of background work. Like weekends, they have to connect first of all. They won't do in the middle of days. So specific time, specific people. So lot of mails, all these communications required only just for backup. But if you go to Snowflake, time travel concept is there. Without informing to your teammate also you can do. But that doesn't mean you are destroying your current data. Without touching the current data, you can get the historical data. That one concept says how good with comparing to Teradata, Snowflake is best. Generally, I'm saying. Like this, so many features are advanced level in comparing to other technologies. That is the main reason. If you observe, Redshift to Snowflake migrations also happen.
Okay, so if in the future classes, it would be great if you can demonstrate us the architecture of all these three.
Obviously, architecture, I won't go with Redshift or Teradata.
Not Redshift.
Snowflake architecture, I'll go deep level.
And Azure and AWS.
Hi, Sri.
So I am coming from a database background. Is there any admin kind of part in Snowflake? If not, what layer I have to concentrate on Snowflake role? Like what role I have to?
Stay connected, please. Just stay connected. She will be back in 1 minute. Just stay connected. Yeah. Someone asking me to have a question. Please allow me. Yes, you can.
Yes. Hi, this is Narendra, and I have been working in QA space for last 25 years, and mainly I'm on application side, but during testing, we sometime are looking for data migration, data validation, and I have been not very good. Though I'm very good with SQL, and I have a little bit information of Informatica. So my question is, though I'm already employed, I'm looking for a job, but I'm in a technical managerial position. So sometimes we have to understand the requirement from testing point of view whenever database or data lakes or Snowflake is involved. So how far this course will be beneficial to me? This is my first question as a QA. Secondly, a person having good knowledge of SQL,
I'm
somewhat
back.
knowledge. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah,
So,
please continue with your question, please. Yeah, please continue with your question.
okay.
Yeah. So my second question is, if I want to, divert or build my career towards data warehouse and data cloud, what kind of basic knowledge or experience I need to have to that this course can do justice?
Yes, Narendra Garu. So, like, what we can do is, so just drop your number personally to me. Okay, we'll
Okay,
connect with
no
you
problem.
one to one. We'll connect with one to one because discussing the personal profile in the meeting will take a long time because like many people are there in the meeting, right? So just drop me your personal number to me so that like we'll connect with the trainer personally and we'll discuss.
Okay.
We need to take more
So
details from you
what
as
I
well.
will do is I'll drop this class and I will talk to you in person. Okay.
Sure. Just drop me your mobile number. I'll be connecting with you personally. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Hello.
Sai Sri, go ahead, please. Yes.
So someone asked me like you are going to explain the architecture of AWS and Azure, right? See, they are cloud providers. We no need to touch any architecture for those things. So we won't we won't involve in the AWS and the Azure architecture on. We are not AWS developer and Azure developers. That is the reason what is required for Snowflake developer, that part I will cover. If I cover everything in AWS, we have a lot of services. Total our course will go in a different direction. Getting my point?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I
Hello, hi, Sai Sri.
how depth ADF will be covered. Like
Okay.
it's very huge. So yeah, that's my question.
Come again once again. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm asking about ADF. Like how much we will be covering in the ADF part.
If you get into the project and if you're really getting the ADF to Snowflake related combination of pipelines in a project, you will be able to create your own pipelines. That much knowledge I will provide to you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. My intention is you something we say in the interviews in a wrong way, people will get doubt. If this person have real-time experience, why he will do this work as a Snowflake developer? He should not do, right? If he do, then why they are using Snowflake? They can use ADF only. This kind of unnecessary doubts will get. So having more knowledge also sometimes danger to us. That is the reason what we are doing in real time, same to same copy paste I am doing here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have one doubt. I'm not
Supporting the big data projects.
Sorry.
Is this Snowflake is supporting big data projects?
Yeah, it's supporting. I heard it is supporting. Now they are getting big data to Snowflake also. I heard this pipelines. I didn't experience it, but Kafka through they are pushing the data into Snowflake and they're doing the process.
SaiSri, I have two questions. Can I continue?
Yeah, you can. 1 minute. Guys, I think Shubham number I shared actually. Other numbers I missed because I dropped from the chat, right? So I lost your number. If you don't mind, you can share to me or you can share to the person RajCloud Technology. For that person, you can post your numbers. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Please continue from here.
I have two questions. One is this DBT. Is it an ETL tool or just only transformation?
Only transformations. If I say ETL, it should have the capacity of load the data also. It don't have any capability to do anything. It don't have storage there, first of all. Only transformations only it can support. That also how means at the back end actually, if you observe, this is my previous class, okay? I'm showing that back end. If you observe my queries at the previous batch, so it is depending at the backend means not just for the reading the data. If you run some query here, it will reflect here. If you observe, see, for example, I'm saying, see here. It will run at the backend of Snowflake query history only. Finally, it is using compute compute layer also from Snowflake only.
So for the loading, we need to use either ADF or like Informatica tool, similar kind of tools?
For loading where? Into Snowflake or DBT?
No, to Snowflake or DBT, I mean, whatever the case.
DBT we won't do. DBT we will we will host on top of any database like BigQuery. For example, I'm saying not only Snowflake, it have 5 to 10 related combination of technologies they have. So on top of that, we will choose Snowflake. Like that, we have to add the database to DBT and we will get into the process. But Snowflake, you said, right, to load the data, I need Informatica like that. Nothing like that. For previously, they are using Informatica. They want to migrate to Snowflake. With in that combination, they are doing migration for that one project only. But actually, if it is scratch project, we will connect directly to source only. No need of Informatica, all this.
My second question is, while sign up, we have an option to use Azure and AWS and
yeah. Yeah.
Like, should we, I mean, can we change after sign up, or like, while signing up?
One time option. Actually, yeah, in our case, you don't need to think that client will take that headache first time. Every user, every employee in our Snowflake developer, in our Snowflake project, every Snowflake developer won't create the account. Okay. See, something like this, one time client will create. Okay. Just I'm creating that free trial account. Like this, username, pass. He will create at the back end. After that, he will add as a user. Kiran, Praveen, Anita, whoever joined. In the same account, he will add as a user and he will assign the roles.
Sai Sri, sorry to interrupt you. Jahan, just a minute, please. So as many people are requesting to complete the session first, after that, like we'll go for the Q&A session. So just to stay connected, guys. Okay, so within like 5 to 10 minutes, like the Sai Sri is going to complete her explanation. Then like we'll take all the questions. Please wait for like 5 to 10 more minutes. So once it is done, we are open to all the questions. Okay, so there is no time limit for the session. We are open to all the questions. So just stay connected, please. Sai Sri, you can continue.
One more time, please post your messages. Some people already added, some people numbers I lost. So please reshare to RajCloud Technology chat. Okay, they will take from there. So guys, this is our free trial account. Okay, every day we will come to this account. Without opening this Snowflake account, I cannot teach you anything. Without writing something here, I cannot teach you. So my trainings will be totally practical. Totally practical. If you observe my previous sessions also, I'll show you a lot of things I create. I mean, we have to work with the queries only, right? See, lot of warehouses. I mean, not warehouses, schemas inside of the tables like this. Every day I will work with the data only. Okay, without data, maybe one or admin related, we don't need data. So 2 to 3 concepts will be there. Roles, users, and data warehouse concept. Architecture. These 3 I won't use data. Remaining all concepts I need data. Without data, I cannot explain you anything. Without keep typing here, I cannot explain anything. So you can understand my classes is purely practical. Everything is practical. Okay, this is my database actually. Inside of this database schema. If you want to go deep level, see, you can go to database and you can go to schema. Inside of this schema, we will have tables, views, whatever it may be, the entire list. You can observe here the list also. So I will explain you what is tables. Tables, different types of tables is there. External table, in internal tables also types of tables. Everything I will explain you. Okay, I won't miss anything. So after that, dynamic table. This is a separate concept. I'll explain you. And here secure views, metallized views, secure metallized views. Like this combination of views are there. I will explain you. So this is not our topic, the AI and ML people. So you can leave it. External stages, different type of external stages we have. And internal stage also we have. That also I will take care. File format, sequence, pipe, snow pipe I am saying, right, for continuous data. This also I will take as a practical session. Stream, task, function. This all I will go with the practical guys. From here, this is not our topic. This is purely AI and ML people topics. Okay, don't mix. Some people will get doubt. SaiSri, why you are not covering Snowpark? If you learn everything, you'll become as a Snowflake developer or AI developer or any other developer. So our profile should not be like a messy with all the technology. One technology we should be strong, other technology should be add on. That also for our main technology should have connection. So planning the technology is also important. That is the reason I'm not doing any messy here. I'm going purely as a Snowflake developer position only. What concepts is required for Snowflake developer to complete their job, everything I'm going to explain. Okay, so this all objects I will touch. Same way, users creation, role creations. This is for knowledge purpose. In real time, you won't do all this. For knowledge purpose, I'm going to teach you. At the same time, warehouse creations. So warehouse creations is there. That also I'm going to cover. Okay. And someone asked, right, can I create another account? Yes. Here you can create another account. I created one account with AWS, right? Like that, you can create Azure with GCP, anything, you can create another account. That option is there. You means actually in real time, you won't have access. Here you can create. Okay, like that, all these options is what is required for you. Everything I will explain in our practical session. So my sessions will be practical. Day-to-day materials will be provided. Recordings will be provided. Live project I will show you one my real-time project, and project end-to-end I will cover, and resume preparation, mock interviews. In maximum 99% I'm doing all the things what as a trainer have to do. Your portion is just you have to follow my topics and be practical. By heart is not required here. Practice and understanding the logic or understanding the concept is important. That's it. If you are doing regular practice, you no need to keep more special efforts also. Just every day 1 hour, 1.5 hour class we will have. 1.5 hour we will have almost 1.5 hour class we will have. After that, any time in remaining entire day 8 to 9:30 we will have class. After that, remaining time whenever you get free time, just spend half an hour to 1 hour. That's enough. If you are new to Snowflake SQL also, once complete our RajCloud technologies related classes, then after that still you are not confident, let me know. I will guide you personally based on your problems. So anytime you can connect with me, we have profile related issues, you have career gaps, anything, guys. I am only the person who is going to handle technically end to end. And if you are not getting any access like that, you have to follow the admin tip. You have to follow the admin tip. Okay, remaining all I will take technically. So because of one person, right, you can also easily interact with me. I can also understand your problem easily. So you no need to wait for multiple people to someone will resolve. As a trainer, I will understand immediately. I can resolve your issues, technically doubts or resume preparation, anything I will handle by myself only. So this is I'm going to provide you from my training, guys. Anything I'm missing? Maximum completed. Yeah. Is it clear now? Is it clear or still doubts?
Sai Sugar, if you are done with your technical things, okay, I'll just give the unmute option for them. Then they can unmute themselves.
Yeah. Yeah, you can do.
You are done with your part, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let me just give them a brief introduction for the 2 minutes, and I'll give the unmute option to them so that they can ask the both questions regarding the registrations or regarding the technical things. They'll take care.
Okay, sure. I'll stop my screen. You can continue.
1 second, please.
And in a day, I cannot make you 100% satisfied, guys. You have to join 2 to 3 classes, then only you'll understand my flow and my points. Okay, just go with that part also.
Yes, this is Karthik from RajCloud Technologies again. So I'm just taking another 2 minutes. Okay, just allow me for the 2 minutes. I'll just give you some info here, and I'll be helping you with the complete registration part and the technical things. Okay, and whatever the resume assistance you required. Okay, so we will be the people. So myself Karthik, I'm the team lead here working at RajCloud Technologies. Okay, so let me brief you the things. So as I said there are 2 batches going on for us. The one is a morning session, another one is a evening session. So the current batch that we started for the morning batch, that is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. class. From the next session, mostly from the next session, we will be going with the complete morning batch, that is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay, as Sai Sri Garu said, we have a prerequisite here, right? We have a prerequisite of Oracle SQL classes. Okay, for that we are providing this Oracle SQL complementary course. Okay, this is a complementary course delivered by our CEO and Chairman Raj Garu, Nataraj Garu. Okay, so here we have 10 plus videos are available and 15 plus hours of content will be delivered to you. These are completely recorded lectures. Okay, as this is a complimentary course for you, we are providing some time to complete. Okay, so the people, whoever is not having any knowledge on Snowflake, not knowledge on Oracle SQL, so those people can continue with these videos, and I can surely say you that like within 2 to 3 days you can complete all the classes. That much easy it will be. And we are going to start from the complete scratch, like what is table, what is tuple, how to insert data. Okay, from there we will start. So, and we'll give you the complete topics, whatever the topics that I have mentioned you on the screen, you can take a screenshot as well. So all these topics will be covered in this complimentary course. Got it? And you can ask me a question like what else if I have already completed this Oracle SQL. So someone who enrolled early and who completed the Oracle SQL access, or if you are having a previous knowledge of Oracle SQL, so now we will be providing you the Snowflake last batch first 10 classes to you. Okay, we will provide the Snowflake last batch first 10 classes. Okay, first 10 classes recordings we will provide you. So you can start watching these first 10 classes recordings, and you can start practicing, and you can start understanding the classes. So what we are going to deliver in the first session, what we are going to deliver in the second session. Okay, so everything you'll get understanding very clearly here. Okay, and whenever you are attending the live class, it will be very easy for you to understand what Sai Sri is delivering to you. Okay, so if you know that like what she is going to tell you in the next session, so it will be very easy to raise the questions. It will be very easy to understand the things. Even you will understand where I need to concentrate more, where I'm okay here. So where I need to raise the questions, everything you will understand if you watch the recording before the class. Okay, if you watch the recording before the class. Okay, so I can see that many people are requesting still more time for Oracle SQL completion. Okay, yes, we will give you another day or two. Another day or two, we will give you time to complete these Oracle SQL classes. Okay, whoever is already completed these Oracle SQL classes, you can start taking Snowflake classes. So at 6 p.m. today, we have added the Snowflake classes as well. Okay, whoever paid already, we have added the first 10 classes of Snowflake classes also. Okay, so you can start watching the things and you can practice. Meanwhile, we will provide another day or 2 days to practice this Oracle or Snowflake. Okay, the next session mostly will be on Thursday. Mostly we'll be taking the next session on Thursday. Got it? That will be on 3rd of July. Okay, the next session will be on 3rd of July. So we are going to take the session. So whoever have completed your Oracle classes, go through with the Snowflake. So if you haven't done with your Oracle, just take time and complete it. Okay, so for registration, so whoever not registered yet, okay, you people just contact us on these numbers. One is 810-529-6858. You'll get this number as Raj Informatica, and there is other number 63616-38108. Okay, you'll get this number as a Megha RajCloudTech. Okay, I'm just sharing these both numbers, or you can take a screenshot also. Okay, so these two numbers you can contact us, and you can get done your registration also. I am sharing like one more thing as well. Just give me a second. Okay, so if you see our home screen, so as per many people request, still we have enabled this flat 15% discount on all our trainings. Okay, generally it was expired by yesterday itself, 30th itself. But as per many people request, we have enabled the flat 15% discount again till today. Okay, so whoever want to enroll, you can plan for your enrollment now, as the course fee is 15,000 rupees. As the course fee is 15,000 rupees. After applying the 15% discount, After applying 15% discount, your course price will become just 12,750 rupees, and this is available only today. Only today, as you all know that. So we have given this 15% discount from last 13 days. Today is the 14th day actually. So this was the huge duration that we have enabled this offer. So by today we are going to complete this offer. So please try to enroll. So whoever not enrolled yet. And I just like want to show you like how you can access the classes and all here. How you can access the classes and everything here. I'll just show you. Just give me a moment. So I just like want to show you from the first, like whoever not even completed the registration, you can also check here. First of all, just like search for razinformatica.com. First of all, just search for razinformatica.com. Sorry, just give me a second. Okay, so once you open the razinformatica.com, you'll come to know like right side top corner sign up with Google button. You can just click on sign up, and this students option will be enabled to you. Okay, in the students option there is enrolled courses. Whoever have paid your fee and everything, you will be able to see this enrolled courses page. 1 second, I'm just giving a sign up again. Okay, so once you just like go to the enrolled courses page, as I am the admin, I have all the courses. I have all the courses access here. But for you people, there will be only two courses. One will be the Snowflake DBT and ADF online training batch number 12 and Oracle access. Only these two classes access you will be having. Once you click on this Snowflake course, right side you can see start learning button. Once you click on the start learning, left side you can see live session joining page. From here you will join the classes, and you can see the session 1 to 10. I have already uploaded the 10 classes recordings. Even if it is showing a 0 seconds also, you can just click on it. The video will open. Okay, the video will open. So I have already added the 10 classes videos to you. You can start watching these 10 classes. See, today we have done with the first class. The first session will be replaced with the new session. Got it? Same. The second session is also once after completion of second session will be replaced. Okay, in that way, like every session will replace here, even the 10 classes also. Okay, you can see the materials as well here. So this is the video. If you just click on session 2 video will open here, and below the session itself you can see the material also. Below the session itself you can see the material also. Okay, in the same way we have added all the sessions and the materials as well for you. You can start accessing these things. Okay, you can start accessing these things. If you want to enroll through website, yes, I can see many people join from the different countries as well, from US, UK and Canada also, like the people have joined here. So whenever you are sharing your number, please drop your number with country code, so that it will help us to connect with you personally. If you haven't dropped with your country code, if you are in India, that is fine. If it is Indian number, that is fine. If it is from other countries number, please drop with the country code as well. Okay, you can just go to the courses section. Select Snowflake training. Select Snowflake training. Select Snowflake training. If you can scroll down, you can see there are two batches, morning and evening batches. Pay and enroll now. I click on the morning batch. Click on pay and enroll now in the morning batch. Okay, there is a 15% flat discount is already applied. Okay, I'll just like see, I'm going to pay only 12,750 rupees. There are two payment modes here. Someone who is paying from India, you can select here Indian credit or debit card, EMI or UPI option, and you can pay here. Or if you are from international, if you are using international credit or debit cards, if you are from out of India, you can just click on the second option, international credit or debit cards, EMI or UPI options, and you can just click here and you can start paying now. You can click on direct pay and enroll now. Got it? So in this way you can check out the page, and once after clicking on pay and enroll now, you will be able to see this the payment page. Okay, the payment page. You can pay through by UPI ID, card, wallets, net banking, EMI, cardless EMI. Everything is available. Okay, everything is available. Even the wallets, free charge, MobiKwik, Ola Money, Reliance, Airtel, Amazon, PhonePe. All the wallets also we accept. Okay, these are the different payment modes that we accept. If you still want to connect with any special payment mode, you can connect with me on WhatsApp. You can connect with me on WhatsApp. Okay, you can connect with me on WhatsApp. I'll just like show you the WhatsApp number where you can found. 1 second, please. Sorry, my bad. Today my internet connection was not good. Okay, so this is our WhatsApp number here, 810-529-6858. Okay, this is our calling and WhatsApp number as well. You can connect us on this number and you can get registered here. Okay, I just like want to show our reviews as well. So how the people given the reviews for our previous batch. I'll just show you this one also. Sorry. Okay, if you can just go to the Google page here. Okay, you can just click on view all Google reviews. View all Google reviews. The newest one. You can see how the people have given the Snowflake. This is Snowflake review. Okay, this is Snowflake review. Okay, and this is also a Snowflake review. Okay, so you can see how this is also a Snowflake review. Sai Sri. Okay, you can see this is also a Snowflake review. How we have given the assistance to them. Okay, so how they are feeling about our course and our assistance. Okay, so they want to thank Sai Sri and the RajCloud Technologies team as well. Okay, and these are the reviews actually. I want to show some real-time reviews as well. Just give me a second. Okay, I'll just like show you how our batch people given the reviews in our group, Snowflake group as well. Okay, recently like we have done with the batch number 9. Batch number 9, this is the batch number 9 WhatsApp group actually. This is the open WhatsApp group actually. Daily like we will be posting once after completion of the video upload, we'll be posting like video upload, and once the meeting started in the morning and evening, we'll be starting the morning and evening notifications as well. So here we ask you to provide the reviews. You can see here how good they have provided the reviews. Even if you want, you can take the screenshot as well. Okay, so these are the reviews that we have given like given by the latest recently completed batch people. Okay, so these are the reviews. You can see how they felt good about the training and all. Okay, okay, so this is what I wanted to show. These are the, like you can see the date as well. 24/6/2025 we have converted a batch. So for that batch, these people are given the reviews in this way. Got it? Yes. Now I just like want to unmute everyone. I'll just give the unmute access for everyone. Whatever the technical questions you have, whatever the questions that you have regarding the registrations and all, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Satish, you have raised your hand, right? You can please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Hi, Sai Sri. Hello.
Tell.
Yeah. Like yeah, Snowflake supports ETL and as well ELT, right? So we
Yeah.
can call Snowflake as a cloud ETL.
ELT we will call actually. Extract, load, and then transformations will be applied.
Okay. Yeah, and I have another question. We are using ADF and AWS S3 Glue, right? Why we have to prefer DBT for transformations?
Because Snowflake won't go with that reverse combination, right? Snowflake want advancements, DBT is the thing. Again, if you use Glue, then why Snowflake again? We can do everything in Glue itself, right?
Yes.
Like that, if you compare, so many technologies are there in market, generally. Why means what the project is expecting, that is happening mostly. I mean, not actually cost also. No, I won't say always cost will come into the picture. Cost also one point, and also what they are expecting. Some companies will expect some particular topics or some services, right? Where they're finding as per their business purpose, they will switch.
Means cost purpose or performance wise, is DBT is better than other things.
Satish, you are not loud. Can you please speak bit louder?
Yeah. Now,
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 now, now it is clear. Now it is clear.
yeah, I'm asking, like, we are preferring DBT, right? Why we have to prefer DBT instead of AWS Glue and Azure Data Factory? Is there any cost advantages or performance wise?
See, always won't come into the quality is also important, right? Cost or flexibility. That is, I mean, generally, Snowflake is also taking a good cost from clients. It is not free cost. It's not free anywhere. In any services, it is charging us. Point here, what they're expecting the developer wise or admin wise or client, all this combination people are have their expectations all completing, fulfilling in here with the quality. So I cannot judge other technologies are not good, but client expectations, Snowflake is having more steps front. Before Snowflake, we are using our old technologies only, right? Actually.
Yes, yes. Okay,
So
fine.
I cannot comment like their worst technology. I won't say. Wherever you find, see now who is using Nokia phone, who are shifting to this one. I mean, generally smartphone. From smartphone to now iPhone is common. Now previously one or two people iPhone they are using. Now everyone is in every home they have one iPhone. Generally, I'm saying. So flexibility, compatibility, everything will coming into the picture for technologies also. Client is okay to bear, we are going. Benefits, a lot of benefits are there, not on technical side. All combinations, Snowflake have benefits. If I discuss it, we will outline this subject. That is the reason I'm not giving much.
Sai Sri, Sai
That is
Sri.
the reason, that is the reason I said. We
Okay, fine.
don't want to do 100% R&D. Why Snowflake I want to choose? 50% is enough, because if client is choosing the Snowflake and they're hiring us means there are a lot of benefits. They, one company cannot take the decision yearly once migration part they won't take. Once they migrated means they will minimum 5 to 10 years they will stick on that. In a lot of discussions after there is a chance of shifting from again Snowflake to other technologies. That is very tough. Right now it won't happen. If something happened in market and new technologies also came into the market, immediately Snowflake won't come onto the ground. It will take time to migrate. So client is already doing a lot of R&D. Comparing to us, they are doing already a lot of R&D, and they found Snowflake is best. That is the reason this many migration projects and new projects are depending on Snowflake. According to that, yes, this is demand subject only.
Yes, yes, yeah.
We have to work like a little bit smart everywhere. No need to waste our energy.
Yeah.
So
Yes, Sai Sri. I have ETL background.
okay.
ETL talent I am working on now. So I want to move to Snowflake. So do I need to learn advanced SQL for Snowflake?
If I want to say genuinely, you want to not only you, everyone want to learn the SQL mainly for interview purpose. So intermediate joins, case statements, substring, function, that is enough. Because in
Procedures,
real time, we are not using no SQL, which we will use. But we no need to rush, right? We can think and we can write the queries. We'll have some time to think a lot to build the query. So with intermediate knowledge, 100% you can complete your requirements in real time. But in interviews, we'll get less time. So having hands-on fast queries writing experience, if you have, it will be good for interviews. That is the reason I am asking you to train from today onwards, like for SQL.
Okay, like procedures and all also
So I
required.
won't ask you much. Store procs already available in Snowflake. SQL store procs separately, nothing like that. In Snowflake only we have stored procedures.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
And DBT tool doesn't have any components, right? Like have components for transformations. DBT only having code only, right? Which will
No, DBT have the transformation. DBT want to load, store the code or store the data. Only have the transformation the power. That's the reason that components are nothing but model snapshots that all already designed.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Srish.
Hi, sir.
Ishwarya.
You know, Snowflake, will you feature about the streams task?
Your voice is too low for me. Sorry. Hello.
In Snowflake, will you learn about the streams and tasks?
100%. That's a common topic in our my course. 100%.
And also, while connecting between DBT and Snowflake, there you had a chance to create the pipeline.
Yeah, I already have a real-time experience on this technology. So I'm using it. Mhm.
And
And
also,
everything I'm experienced and I'm explaining in trainings. There's no creativity work here.
how
Okay.
will you get the data into DBT?
That I will explain you. Now I cannot take training on that. Through using
Actually,
Snowflake.
yes.
Actually, I will connect Snowflake and I will fetch from the Snowflake only.
Actually, I'm also in my project. I'm recently migrated from SQL Server to Snowflake, Snowflake data warehouse. There we are using the data vault automation.
See, we cannot compare with all the projects. If you go with
Yes,
other, yeah. So this is starting part will be different from projects. Yeah, Snowflake will connect to DBT and we will get the data.
So, hi, Sai Sri.
In a DBT, we will learn the micros and windows.
Sorry, we won't store any
DBT.
data in DBT.
Yes, in a DBT, you try to learn about the windows and micros.
I'm explaining that. I think you missed some class. Just go through the recording. I am going to cover all those things.
Yeah, hi, Sri. So,
Yeah,
like, I'm strong in SQL and PL SQL and even performance tuning as well. And for Informatica and IACS. Also, I just want to add Snowflake as there are many opportunities.
Yeah.
So tell me, like, how the stored procedures is it same as it is in PL SQL or different? The stored procedures.
PL SQL, I'm not sure because I'm not background of PL SQL. Normal SQL, I know. Same like SQL query, syntax differences you'll see. That's it. Well, how you'll write in SQL, like that only we will write here also. Dynamically we will call, like that will be there. Syntaxes differences you'll see. That knowledge will be helpful here. Simple.
If I'm asking for stored procedures.
Stored procedures only. I will use SQL language and I will create. Almost if you know SQL stored procedure, it will be almost you can match, you can relate to do that, but syntaxes differences you will find. I'm saying syntax difference.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, little bit will be there.
Sai Sri, I have one general doubt. See, when we are going for a data warehousing, that means we have a lot of data, right? So when we have a lot of data going to cloud, is it not going to cost too much for the end customers?
No, I won't say it will cost more because they are giving cheapest storage to us. Compute layer also separately. So we can companies can manage that cost, no problem. See, compare going to 4 to 5 technologies and doing different work, they can do everything in single place, right? Because of that, the cost will reduce and monitoring everything will happen single place, right? So cost will be less.
Okay, got it. Sure, thank you.
Hello. Your voice is not convert to me. I mean, something disturbance. Store procedures like SQL only. Once go and check my content, everything I added in. Okay. Yeah.
So I see one more question. Like Snowflake is a SaaS, right? Software as a service. So when we deploy the SaaS in AWS, then we use Snowflake, and when we deploy this in Azure, we use Data Factory for.
No, don't compare with that because if you deploy, if you not deploy actually, here we are hosting on top of Azure means that doesn't mean you cannot use ADF. Just we are hosting. You are going to one area and you are saying I want rent for my warehouse cost. I mean for my products. Like that, Snowflake is also taking the rental. It don't have authority. AWS will not say you don't go to other technologies for connection.
Okay, like in same project, we can use both Azure.
Both GCP also can use if your client is okay. So no connectivity line.
Thank you.
Yeah, host, it's not deploying, host.
Yeah, I mean, oh, sorry.
Yeah, if I say deploy, control will be under AWS, not the
Yeah,
Snowflake.
yeah.
Will we see classes for semi-structured and non-structured data also?
Semi-structured are only supported by Snowflake. Unstructured is not supported. Structured and semi-structured I'll teach you. In semi-structured also XML and JSON I will cover.
Okay. And the pipelines are not completely on files, right? Just my understanding.
Which pipelines? I mean, ADF like that?
Oh, yeah.
On top of files only, I mean, we will create in that cloud provider, but we will fetch files and load into the Snowflake as a table.
Okay. Thank you.
Actually, resume and all you will guide us once completed the course
Yes.
only, right?
Yes, we will guide you.
Once completed the course.
Yes.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
I have total 7 years of experience in ETL, so I can put 3 years for Snowflake, right?
Absolutely. You no need to worry on that. Happily, you can go with 3 years. Enough.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Karthik, from here, please take over.
Sure, Sai Sri. Thank you so much.
Just inform, many of them asked me question related to next class. Just you announce about that detail.
Sure. I'll take care of it. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So hi everyone, this is Karthik again. So let me know like if you still have any doubts regarding the registration part. I can see like few people have tried to make the payment and my team connected them and cleared, right? So let me know like if you have any kind of doubts regarding the registration or about the class timings. So anything you can ask me, please.
So tomorrow also is it a demo or a regular class?
No, please. Today is the first session. Okay, so today is the first session we have done with the our class of account creation, right? From the next session, this will be the complete technical sessions. It will be, and it will be the private sessions only for the paid people. The next sessions will be there.
Yeah. What about timings?
So the timings will be like morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. The next class timings will be from the next class. All the complete batch, the timings will be morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST.
When is the next class? Tomorrow?
So next class, like I just want to check with the enrolled people how they have completed their Oracle classes and all. So most probably the next class will be on Thursday. That will be on 3rd of July. See, initially itself, you're getting a time to complete these Oracle classes, okay? So once after the regular classes started, mostly from the next week, we'll start the regular classes. So once the regular classes started, Monday to Friday, all 5 days, we'll be having a class. So please try to complete the Oracle classes, whoever still it is pending.
Okay, regular classes will start from next week, right? Before that, the classes will be at 7 p.m.
No, please. The next session itself, the classes will be from morning 8 a.m. itself. Okay. So the thing is, today is the last public session for everyone. So whoever not paid also join today. But from the next session, so only the paid people will be joining the class.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Hello. I was asking this, how much is the salary range in the market through our student from here?
So coming to the salary range, it depends on your current experience and your current package as well. So, but the basic package I can say for 2 years, it is around 8 to 10. For 3 years, it is around like a 10 to 13. For 4 years, like from 14 to 20. So it varies in between actually. So it depends on your current salary package also. So Sairam, you can just drop your number in the chat as well. Okay, so that like my team will connect with you personally, and so we will ask you we'll interact you more and we'll take more details from your end and we'll help you more on this.
And one other thing, this is the only
Please.
online classes or also offline you have?
No, please. See, offline, like we don't take any classes. See, we are providing almost 15 plus courses here. We don't take offline.
Everything is
Why?
online.
Because see, as the every trainer is working right now and they're delivering the trainings as well. So offline, it will be like highly impossible for them to travel and deliver the class.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But
You're
you have
welcome.
a center, offline center you have?
No, please. Like we are working completely online itself. So we are working from last 4 years on different tools and technologies. We started with Informatica Power Center and Informatica Cloud, and now we have almost 15 plus courses we are offering right now.
Mhm. Okay, cool. Got you, my friend. Thanks.
Yes, yes. So I can see a question like when the evening batch will be starting. The evening batch will be starting in next 15 to 20 days. Okay. Even the enrollments for the evening batch is open. Whoever is enrolling now, you will be getting a chance to watch these classes in recordings. And once the batch gets started, whatever the classes you have covered in the recordings, all the classes again you are going to hear in the live also. So that it makes you more easier to understand the live sessions. So still any questions from anyone, please? If you haven't dropped your name and WhatsApp number, please drop your name and WhatsApp number so that like we can share you the today's session recording and the PPT as well. We can share with you. So just drop your name and WhatsApp number. You will get the recording and the material by tomorrow morning. Yeah, Jayalakshmi garu, I can see that like you have asked me about the timings, right? So yes, earlier it was 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. batch, the evening sessions. But like what happened is due to Sai Sri garu meetings and schedule, so it was changed from 7 p.m. to 5 p.m. actually. So earlier it was 7 to 8:30 p.m. IST, but now it was changed to like 5 to 6:30 p.m. Please drop your number. Okay, so we will connect with you personally and we'll try to help you. Yeah, I got your number as well. Yes, like we'll try to connect with you personally and help you about the timings and all. Still any questions from anyone, please? So regarding the registrations, regarding the timings, or anything else, like if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me.
Is SaiSri available? Can I share the screen? Because I have not got the link for that Snowflake and one more. Maybe
May I know your name, please? I can see
Santosh.
the name of
Santosh.
Lenovo actually.
Yeah, Santosh.
Sorry?
Santosh.
Yeah, Santosh. Santosh, just connect with us personally. I said you right, like there is a number. I'm just sharing the screen again. Hope you can see my screen, right?
1 second. I'm not able to see your screen.
One
No.
second. Okay, just a second. Hope you can see my screen now. So this is our WhatsApp number. For any assistance, connect us on this WhatsApp number 810-529-6858. Regarding the any help, any assistance, you can just connect us on this number.
Okay.
Yes, please. So hope you are clear with all the questions and information shared with us, right? So just let me know like if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask, or else like we'll wind up the session. Can I get at least any message in the chat that like you are clear with the complete information? Can I get a word clear? Clear with the complete information shared with you?
The morning batch, when is it going to start? Is it from the 3rd?
Yes, from the next session, the classes will be in the morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay, the complete regular sessions will be starting, and so hope like everyone got your Snowflake access as well. You can start watching the videos meanwhile, whatever the time you are getting now. You can start watching the future sessions as well, and you can engage with this content.
No, is it from tomorrow or like from
No,
third?
no, not from tomorrow actually. As I said you, the mostly the next session will be on Thursday. So
Okay.
we have already added to the community, right? You'll get the complete information in the community.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you. So any questions from anyone? Yeah, hope it is clear for everyone. Thank you all. Thank you for joining session today. Before ending the session, I just want to show you again. So this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get today's session recording as well. Today's session recording also we are going to upload in our YouTube channel. I'm sharing the channel link with you again. So subscribe to our channel. You will get all the updates here. Sorry, someone is having some question, right? Ishwar Shinde.
Hi, sir. Hello?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Go ahead. Yeah.
My voice is audible.
Yeah, audible.
Like how the topic will cover, like, is the topic will be elaborated everything, or like,
Yeah, surely. So each and every topic, like whatever we have mentioned in our course curriculum, so each and every topic will be elaborated like with the clear information and the PPT and practical explanation. Okay, so everything will be given to you on each and every topic.
actually sometimes give the syntaxes and give the small examples.
No,
Because
please. Each and every session, each and every topic, it will be clearly elaborated. See, whatever the content we have shared with you here, hope you can see my screen. So I'm showing the complete course content with you here. Whatever the topics we have mentioned here, on each and every topic, we are going to do the practical explanation, and the knowledge will be shared with you. No need to worry about that.
Oh, then fine.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So yeah, thank you all. Thank you for joining session today. So to get today's session recording and material, just drop your name and WhatsApp number, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well to get the today's session recording. Thank you all. Thank you for joining session today.